This one is for all of you singers out there. So I spent many years as a vocal coach, and a lot of my students couldn't play the piano, but they really wanted to be able to accompany themselves so that they could go out and play a gig, but they didn't want to invest all the time into really learning the piano. So I'm going to teach you today how to chord, and it's so simple. This is seriously going to take under 10 minutes of your time to get started, so that if you want to accompany yourself while you sing, you can. So the first thing you need to do is you need to find a chord chart for your music. So Google is great for this. You can simply type in the name of your song, followed by the words chord chart, and you're going to come up with a lot of options. So you're going to see a chord chart on the screen, and there's going to be lyrics with letter names above them. So those letter names are the chord names. So that's going to refer to what you play on the piano. So you're going to see a C, you're going to see a G, you're going to see an A minor. That's what that little M means. Don't worry about it. Just think A for now. And then you're going to see an F. So how do you find those? You got to know your musical alphabet. This takes 30 seconds. It might take a little time to get comfortable with it, but the main concept is if you find a group of 2 black keys and scooch to the bottom, you got C, and then D, and then E, and then F, and then G, and then A, and then B, and then C. So that's how it's laid out. This is C. We can do our alphabet backwards. B, A, G, F, E, D, and C. So first thing you need to do is take your right hand thumb and place it on the note on the keyboard that corresponds to the letter you see on the chord chart. So we've got a C, so my thumb goes on C, and I'm gonna let all my fingers rest over top the other notes, and my 5 finger lands on G. So we've got the distance of 5 notes, we call it a fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're just gonna play that. And then we need to simply move to our next chord. So in this case it's G, so I'm gonna find G, which is here. I'm gonna do the same thing. And the next one's A, which is right after G. And we've got an F, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, D, E, F, easy street. So how does this make an accompaniment, you ask? Well, it's very simple. Your left hand is gonna play just the chord note or the note that you see on your chart, and you're gonna start singing. You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. You are already playing the piano and accompanying yourself. It's really tricky at the beginning because it's a new coordination, but don't do anything fancy. Just find your chord and stay there. I'm talking loud, not saying much. And keep going till it gets easy. And then you can start to sort of build some momentum. Because if you're already a singer, you're gonna have a sense of rhythm. So you might start to build a little bit in the hand so you can kind of repeat the notes. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. See how I'm kind of adding rhythms between the hands? I'm experimenting a little bit. You shoot me down, but I get up. And that is the basics of chording for singers. So I demonstrated this in the key of C, which makes it really, really simple. When you have different keys, things can get a little bit more complex. We've got lots of videos that are gonna help you with learning different keys, how to get comfortable with all the chords. So make sure that you dive in. If you have questions, comment below and ask them. We're happy to help, and enjoy singing and playing the piano. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, far away. Ricochet, you take your